Hi everyone, welcome back to EDKs. So the bot having exercise 3, so the correction for exercise 2. Solution, so can say solution. So exercise 3, solution. The first thing to do is to complete the reaction first before aligning the mechanism. So let's complete the reaction. There we'll be having CP, C, CH3, CH3, CN plus K, MEPA. So I'll complete the reaction here. So you don't actually know how I did complete the reaction. But when I will do the mechanism, actually, you will see how the reaction actually goes. So the real problem now is the organic mechanism. So, maybe mechanism now, this is what happened. I have potassium cyanide, that is a C leaf, K plus, C minus. So I have the compound, the haloalkane, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, B sigma minus, sigma plus. The first step is a departure of the living group. So the living group is when you depart. So during the departure of the living group, I'm going to have CH3, C, CH3 plus CH3 plus Br minus. So that's step 1. Step 1 is the formation of the carbocation. So once the carbocation is formed, there is what we call a nucleophilic attack. So if the nucleophile, which is Cn minus, is going to attack this carbocation. So I'm going to have CH3, C, CH3, CH3 plus. So that is the carbocation that is from. Once the carbocation is from, that is CH3, CH3, CH3 plus. We come now with the nucleophile. The nucleophile is Cn minus plus Cn minus. The Cn minus attack the carbocation. So from CH3, C, CH3, CH3, Cn. The mechanism is not yet finished. There's what we call recombination. What is the solution? We are then with Br minus and K plus. So the K plus plus the Br minus reminded them to down. And a mechanism. So the mechanism occurs in 2 steps. This is step 1. Step 1 is the formation of the carbocation. Step 2 now is the nucleophilic attack. The carbocation form is being attacked by nucleophile. The nucleophile is Cn minus, so there's a nucleophilic attack, so that the Cn minus attack the carbocation. The mechanism is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why nucleophilic substitution? The nucleophile is Cn minus. The nucleophile in form at the time that nucleophile will attack the carbocation. So this is the carbocation. The nucleophile attacks the carbocation. At the end of the day, we have this silent compound. So let me label these sets so I should not confuse you. So here's step 1, here's step 2. So students are usually confused. Is this mechanism SN1 or SN2? Given that it occurs in 2 steps. Student will tell you that it's SN2 mechanism, which is wrong. This is an SN1 mechanism. An SN1 mechanism is the mechanism occurs in 1 step, but the order of reaction is a first order reaction. So for this reaction, the order of reaction is rate equals K, coordination of the car is B. The order of reaction is a first order reaction. The rate of the reaction only depends on the hierarchy. The time for watching followed by SG.